everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Queen Alice. Today we are not talking about flying cars or Mars. We're talking about something far closer. You imagine a version of you that never sleeps, never eats, never dies, and still gets the job done. That's what we are building. Your anima, your digital soul inside Triple A Life Force. Your Queen Alice is back. It is request that if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Palo Alto Desai Research Lab, and here you can see our Silicon Valley Autonomous AI Agent Orchestration Charm. Let's discuss about this amazing platform on my YouTube channel. We are AAA Life Host and Charm, the Swarm Orchestration Layer 3 connecting humans and autonomous agents. It's not just tech guys, it's architecture for digital immortality. You launch your AI twin, your autonomous extension, and it starts scaling everything. Your work, your ideas, even your lifespan. It's backed by Palo Alto and AI Research Lab and Planetarium VC. Here you can check out and Planetarium VC. We are building an operating system where human memory and machine intelligence backed by Palo Alto AI Research Lab and Planetarium VC, born in Silicon Valley, we are building an operating system where human memory and machines intelligence evolve together. Here let's meet our team, and here you have a look for our team, and you can meet our team is global engineers from global and meta, and here you can check out scientists and people who actually understand the team. And let's have a more view about, and here is our team built for the agents who holds power and for the agents, and here you can check out our co-founders, which brings the own charm, Maniza partnership architect, Anton the system builder, and Brian the Stanford brain. Together they're building something bigger than apps, a living network of humans plus agents orchestrated by one shared soul protocol, Anima. Here this is our team, and here you can check out the team with superpowers that does it all. Here you can check out, let's be real, the San Francisco is both the AI capital and the unemployment capital. Companies now hire agents, not people. Agents don't sleep, don't complain, and don't need breaks. Billboards already said stop hiring humans. The world is evolving, but humanity risks being left behind. Our goal is not to fight AI, it's to merge with it. You can create a copy and agent of yourself in. You can replace yourself with 24/7 agent in Twitter, Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn. Big problem, and the solution is here. This is where Anima comes in from. The light and soul, your digitally copied self become an autonomous AI agent, a living model built for your data, language, and behavior. Here is, we build a memory graph and behavioral model so your clone can talk, think, and act like you 24/7. No code, no setup, just launch your Anima. And beyond the digital, and what is beyond the digital, there's the vital layer, and AI that learns from your biomarkers and trains on the latest longevity protocols. It's personalized, evidence based, and built to help your mortal body last longer while your digital self become immortal. Above it all is charm, the orchestration layer that connects human and agent swarms. Human plus agent is harmony. You work together, not in competition. Your agent can manage your X feed, negotiate on Telegram, and it can deal your Discord also. It just automate, and it can extend, and it can create copy of yourself, and it's designed specially for you guys. Community and partnership, and here you can check out the community and partnership. Your AI twin is not a tool. It's digital assets. You can license it, rent it, and sell it. Imagine earning income from your experience. Finally, passive income, guys, that scales with your intelligence, not your efforts. So let's have a look for the tokenomics. So here we have triple A life force connect scientists, engineers, thinkers from the Silicon Valley, Singapore, London, and Tokyo, design researchers, Web3 builders, and longevity labs all in one network. So while you rest and your agent collaborates globally, sharing data, learning, evolving, and working for you guys. So you are Diamond Hands Air, and we will conduct an airdrop for the Diamond Hands community. Here are the meme token holders and the NFT holders. So what is about the user journey? It's about all our AI development, VC and AI builder developer, and it's for pre-launch project, and it's for the P2B provider, retail investor. It's about, and yes, the diamond hand airdrop is coming on. So here is our user lifecycle stage, and you can go through. And I want you AI agent, builder, and investor. So are you ready to meet your AI twin? Join our network, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and start building your Anima inside AAA Life OS. Links are in my description. So guys, remember, if you can't beat the AI, hire yourself as one. So guys, this was a short review about AAA Life Force, and I hope you have liked my video. Please comment in the comment section.